In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request page manager on LinkedIn. How to add a manager on your LinkedIn page. If you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. I have already opened LinkedIn on my MacBook. I need to going on this Wipe Finder SEO agency. This is my own page. I need to going on now setting, then manage admin. Then here Argo, add admin. Here type your targeted name as well. You can see this is my friend, another friend. So here's lots of type roles: super admin, content admin, and analytics. Analyzed. So I have to give him a content admin. Then click on save. That's it. This is a method how you can request page manager or how to add a page manager on your LinkedIn page. Thanks for watching. See you again.